Good day, everybody. Welcome to the show.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you, sir?
Doing all right. Could be better with the markets right now, but it is what it is.
Yeah, no kidding. It's been kind of nutty, but not unexpected.
Yep. Unfortunately.
Sorry, just pulling up websites. I'm gonna get back into. Oh, I didn't put my money in. I'm putting 300 back in to get back into trading again with Flex. I'm gonna do some videos on that because I blew my account. It was what you do when you're not being disciplined.
Pretty sure everybody blew their accounts this week. So
Yeah, but I mean, like if anybody has it set up the way, like I was trying to set up rules for myself, and I'm not quite there yet. But I mean, if you're only doing 1 or 2%, you can earn pretty like a good little amount of money when you do that. And if you go not crazy leverage, you're going to have a lot of room, right? Like it could have gone down $20,000 more if you had very low leverage trades, right? So it's just about managing that more effectively.
True.
Comments. Good day, guys. I see some hey-hays. Smash that like. And thank you, Huss, the enthusiastic yay the boys. I don't think I put black on there. But anyways, black high. Yo. Anything happening on your end? There's not a whole lot happening with the way this market's going, so.
No, everybody's kind of upset. I was doing 22 $10 trades and they got liquidated, so there's always that.
Yeah. So, and again, with but with that low of amount, you're going fairly high risk, I presume, right?
It was like 10%.
Okay. Yeah, that can still wreck you pretty fast.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about it. Trying to. So we are at almost $160 million so far in volume.
Nice.
Yeah.
Friends. Woo. That's pretty cool. Yeah, and there's and I got to do the videos because I did grab some. I guess my first week of trading where I did get some of the rewards. Just trying to go to it quickly. I think I have the right wallet up. Yeah, I got like $5 worth of rewards for doing some trading. Now I lost more than that because I had more than that in there, of course. But I mean, it's still cool to get the rewards as you're trading, just as kind of an added bonus at the end of the week, kind of thing.
Yeah, I mean, it's like you said, it's just an added bonus on top of hopefully some decent gains, and then if you're in, any of the staking parts of the protocol, you're getting that on top of it as well.
Yeah, exactly.
So. So far, we've already the distribution for those of us in seed. I forget what it's called. It's like LFXDX. Wow, LFDX. Our volume so far this week has been almost 5 times what it was last week.
Nice.
So we're gonna start having some decent APRs. I was talking to Bill. He's expecting us to, in a couple of months, be at $1 billion plus per week. So
crazy.
That's with a B.
It's a good number.
Yep.
Good number. Yeah, I'm looking. Actually, sorry, I lied. I did $28 in bonus money last week.
There you go.
That I have to claim of rewards. So that's pretty cool. And that was playing with I think $300. So I mean that alone is a good return on investment. In 1 week. So, but when you do the leverage, it adds up quick. All right. I guess I can show off of it. I'm going to pull 300 into here so I can kind of show that off. I'll do I want to do the video of it. Damn it. No, I'm not going to do it today. But I'm going to start trading, and I'll have my trades up here. I'll pull them up on the screen when I do them every week, but I'll probably start them hopefully tomorrow or the next day so I can show the deposit system and all that stuff on Flex.
Yeah, not a bad idea.
I did more staking today. Sorry, why is this? It's like so slow. I think it's my internet here. There we go. Crypto Experience says I did more staking today in the other area of those rewards. So good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. In the Flex ones. Yeah. Exactly. I just trying to pull those up because I did put some in. I've got like 3 wallets I'm playing around with and stuff with Flex, so it's like remembering which one I did. Yeah, this one here was I did some of the pool. Yeah, so I've already got like 50 cents. Like it's 50 cents, but I only put like $10 in. So I mean, again, doing pretty good even with the liquidity farming for it.
Yeah.
So, anybody else up to anything? Nice. Blackhawk's been harvesting once a day and restaking. Boom.
Nice. Must have a decent amount staked. Let's be harvesting once a day.
Yeah, I'm not quite to that level yet. Although this wallet. What did we started? What last? It was last Tuesday, right?
Yep.
No.
Okay.
Yes, because then it was the first week was 2 days because I think the weekly rewards are on the Thursday. So yeah, it was started Tuesday. So it's been a week, and is this all on? Oh yeah, my FLP I've earned a couple of bucks, and I didn't have a ton that I put in there. So yeah, it's going good.
Yeah, I wish I put at least 1,000 in the LP. I mean, that's been at over 200% APR for this entire week now.
Mm-hmm. Yep. No, it's great. Good start for sure. And we just need to get more and more people trading over there. So if anybody knows people, get them in the know. Yeah, I'll try and do some more videos on it. And I think I might. I don't know. I'm going to try and do what I was doing, but do it more disciplined and not mess up. Because like I said, I think I could have withered the storm had I done it better. But you think, it's going to turn around in a second, and then I'll pull my profit and see add more, and then you're in a massive drawdown. So, anybody else up to anything good? I feel we're lacking things. I guess people that are coming by from Nugget. So we have done a migration. So everything's migrated over. You want to have your staked by the end of the day today, I believe, to be part of next week's earnings, which will be kind of the 2 weeks earnings that we didn't get because we were in the process of updating the DApp. So, but the DApp seems to be working smoothly. You do have to clear your cache and stuff and do this if you're coming from your old site to the new one, but otherwise it's pretty straightforward. So. And yeah, we're down, but so is everybody. So
I was going to say, anybody saying they're not down right now other than Flex I wouldn't believe you.
Yeah, that's my problem with some of the stuff that's maybe doing fixed rewards that we talked about last week is when there is these downturns, if they're doing the fixed rewards, they're losing impermanent loss, so they get themselves into a tough situation. Whereas with us, luckily, we can't fall behind like that because we pay every week and yeah, we pull.
That's what I was saying. Like I don't. Anything fixed rewards has got to be dying right now.
Yeah,
it has to be.
Finally unstaked my. Oh, why is it? Okay, there we go. Finally unstaked my Bitcoin from Pump BTC and transferred it to Yield Nest. There you go. Let it do its thing while the markets are down. I haven't seen what's Bitcoin trading at right now.
It is at.
Oh, I haven't been on this computer on the Flex.
88,454.
Yeah, crazy.
80K is the target right now.
Oh, is that what's word on the street is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've heard a bunch of people saying that same thing, so it must be true. I'm gonna try one of their restaking LTR pools once they start them up. Oh, cool. Yeah, I have to go take a look at that. I don't have money to spread around anywhere right now, and what I do have, I think I'm gonna see how this trading thing goes on FlexDex. See if I can grow it. DCA bot on Asterisk grew the whole account 8% on the lowest risk setting for the first month this weekend. Nice. Yeah, with these ranging markets the way they are, if their bots are set up properly to kind of take the dips and the gross, they can do quite well in this kind of funny market. 65K. I think I've seen some quotes of that, but that would be nuts. But we've seen it there before. And the government really needs to pay their debts, so they'd love to see it tank quite nicely and buy a bunch. Clicking is hard. There we go. Babysitting my futures trades on BTCC in lieu of sleep. Yeah, there you go. Just watch it 24/7. That doesn't add any extra stress. It's running on a multi-chain. Sorry. Oh, your DCA bot Astrobit. Interesting. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah, Don. Yeah, I think a few of us have been going through that. I'm trying out at something anyways. I'm gonna try and go pretty darn low risk, and keep myself disciplined to that, and see if I can kind of try and pull small little pieces out of the market every day.
Yeah, that's the best way to do it if you can stay disciplined enough to do it.
Yeah, exactly. Because one mistake tanks a lot, which I guess is why all these different traders end up having problems.
Yep.
And yeah, and hopefully I've been testing using a futures bot actually is going well. So I'm hoping to get to a first payout in the next week or two.
Nice.
Yeah.
The Forex bot I was testing tanked again today, one of the two.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was doing great, and then just boop.
Well, and I think again that's what we saw with almost every one of those bots when it came to the Forex stuff. Back in the day, it was like great, and it seemed low risk. But the second something went wrong, it was like, wow, okay, this was not as low risk as we thought.
Yeah, everything goes bye-bye.
That's all set up. Over to here. Yeah, sorry, I got to come back to the comments, guys. I'm my screen. There we go. Anyone here doing? Oh yeah, you were asking this in the Discord. I think a quarter mile. Anyone here doing leveraged LPs or DLMM strategies? Yeah, I know Blackhawk talked about them a while back.
Yeah, over on Meteora.
Oh yes, that's right. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was doing some medium shorts from scalps at place 911. Nice. I think all of us do weenie leverage compared to Bill.
Yeah, pretty much.
But he has some magic crystal ball. I have to play it a lot more safer. Well, guys, I don't know what else to talk about today. I've been kind of chilling. I wasn't even trading. I kind of stopped myself from trading this week just to kind of focus. So I'm doing a lot of back testing and stuff and just trading like on the futures side, my normal trading side. Just trying to get myself back to basics and disciplining myself.
How's futures going for you?
Good. Like that's what I mean. I'm taking kind of a break this week and just more studying the numbers and putting my reps in, I guess, doing back testing. So yeah. But the bots are doing decent. I got to start working on just myself to try and, because I actually really like doing it. So it's just stopping myself from making mistakes. And I feel like it's always been because I want to rush it. Like I want to scale faster, and that 2-step forward, 20 steps back when you do that.
Unfortunately.
Meteora folks doing 10 to 100% in an hour. Oh, I guess like with leverage trades.
Yeah, it's how the DLMM works and all that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, not much going on. I'm up at my mom's, so I'm on my computer, no family, no interruptions, which is sometimes a bad thing because yesterday I think it was like all of a sudden 12 o'clock and I'm like, oh, well, maybe I need to shut this down. This would be a really short one if we ended it today at 15 minutes.
Yeah. Anybody else got anything they're working on? I mean, there's really not anything going on right at the moment. I don't know about anybody else, but I'm just kind of waiting for for my USDC from FlexDex to start rolling in, so I can start the flywheel going and start doing some trades while waiting for Bitcoin to go back up.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm gonna trade daily, but I might use that rocket indicator that we played around with a bit. And just use that as my get in, get out.
Yeah. Worth a shot.
Small leverage. We'll see. I've had a lot of people asking me for like the passive plays, but it's so hard to recommend anything else other than what we've already talked about. I get in DMs all the time, and it's like, there's only so many options.
Yep. What utility coins are you looking into, BlackRock?
I'm assuming he's talking like collecting all like the gas tokens for each chain, right?
Maybe. You know, a token that I haven't looked into recently, DAG. I want to see how that's doing. If it's still around.
Yeah. Y'all ever messed with Geranium?
Look at that. It's still around. It's actually doing well right now. Interesting.
Yeah, any of the evergreen ones should stick around, but you never know. Y'all messed with Geranium. They got DCA combo bots that change modes or something. Like a DCA grid bot. Yeah, I mean, the issue with any of those, right? Like we even got pretty heavy in them for a minute, and unfortunately it was bad timing with Flex, so they do well until they don't. Oh, Spot BTC is talking about. And then, yeah, Pendle Tango. Yeah, all the different big guys. Ones that actually have a purpose to them. Sorry, my screen lag there.
Looked like everything went black out because of the background.
Oh. Well, guys, I don't know what else to talk about. I wish this market would flail up a little bit. I'm gonna try. Like I keep saying it too, and I want to kind of talk about the trading more, but I'm not versed enough. So I'm gonna be taking a course within our course because a new guy joined, and I'm gonna try and get a little better at talking about it, I guess. Because it'd be nice for people to see real opportunities of kind of changing their ways without always having to put it up to somebody else's faith that they're not going to screw you.
I don't know. Maybe I'm just jaded, but I feel like giving your money to anybody in crypto at this point is a waste of time.
Well, that's the hard part, right? And you don't know. But again, how else do you do it if you don't have the skill set or don't learn the skills? So that's where it becomes a little bit of a conundrum. Passive is so hard to really come by.
A true passive, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Some gamma swap. There you go. Only thing that's been paying out steady is Peppermint Mini. Yeah. Well, for me, it's Peppermint, obviously. Well, and obviously, we're all in. A few of us are in Stable Swap or the Privilege Club. And then, yeah, Nugget's been paying always. So is Monstros, but they've gone down. They're not paying as much because of the way the market is, but it still keeps going. So. Yeah, and even Peppermint, they're talking about having some more transparency, I guess. So if that happens, that'll be pretty sweet. We'll have to see how that all turns out when they decide to actually start doing some marketing stuff because they haven't gotten that route yet. So far, it's just organic, mostly through basically the people at Privilege Club. because that just keeps printing. All right, guys, I'm tired, and we're all seeming to be quite meh about it all. Which unfortunately is probably why we have a few less people watching than we did when we started.
Yeah. Not as up, peppy as we normally are when things are going well.
Yeah, exactly. Or at least somewhat sideways. It just seems to be like there's like literally nothing new coming, and it's been weeks of that because of the fact that the market's so meh. And that's been the funny part too. Is like you'd think some of the Ponzi's would start heavy marketing before everything got going, so it's like they almost know that nothing's going yet. Semi-passive. I mean, the only other semi-passive thing would be to buy into a counterparty vault like Hyperliquid. Yeah, JLP and all that stuff. But that's where FLP. I like the trading. Yeah, exactly. FLP, exactly. Well, same stuff. Yeah. Hyperliquid are your guys. Awesome. All right, guys. We'll leave it at that. We'll do kind of a little bit of a shorter one tonight. As always, appreciate you guys. And yeah, if you don't mind hitting that like button and subscribe. Nugget video, hopefully on Thursday, I'll be putting out because we do have that restaking and stuff. So make sure you get in there and restake that stuff. And then we'll hopefully get a couple of weeks that we can string together a good reward so we can get the token price going up again. So anyways, anything else from you, Hidden?
No, hang on. I mean, there's always, dark before the light. So
yeah, exactly. So
just hang in there.
Don't go too crazy. I mean, I guess with BTC, people could often start going, okay, well, maybe I'll short it now. But shorts can get you stuck pretty quick, just like a long, I guess, because a long got you stuck pretty quick right now. But the chance of it coming out, and when it does come out being profitable are more advantageous than how long the dip's going to last if you, I guess that favors a short, but I don't know. Just be careful. Babbling today. All right, guys.